pick it from the tree. B is for banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, yellow and long, have one today. C is for cherry, C-H-E-R-R-Y, two little cherries, oh so pretty. D is for dragon fruit, D-R-A-G-O-N, pink and spiky, oh what fun. E is for elderberry, E-L-D-E-R, tiny purple berries in a cluster. F is for fig, F-I-G, sweet and purple, yummy for me. G is for grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, juicy little bubbles in bunches. H is for honeydew, H-O-N-E-Y, green and sweet like a summer day. I is for Indian fig, I-N-D-I-A-N, bumpy bright fruit, eat it if you can. J is for jackfruit, J-A-C-K, big and bumpy golden yellow snack. K is for kiwi, K-I-W-I, fuzzy outside, green inside, oh my. L is for lemon, L-E-M-O-N, bright and yellow, shining like the sun. M is for mango, M-A-N-G-O, golden sweet fruit, watch it glow. N is for nectarine, N-E-C-T-A-R, smooth and glossy like a little star. O is for orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, peel it open, sweet as can be. P is for pineapple, P-I-N-E, wearing a crown so tropically. Q is for quince, Q-U-I-N-C-E, golden bumpy fruit so fancy. R is for raspberry, R-A-S-P, tiny red berries oh so tasty. S is for strawberry, S-T-R-A-W, sweetest tart fruit that you ever saw. T is for tangerine, T-A-N, peel it slowly with your little hand. U is for oogly fruit, U-G-L-I, funny looking but so sweet inside. V is for velvet apple, V-E-L, soft like velvet, what a yummy smell. W is for watermelon, W-A-T-E-R, juicy green stripes, sweetest in summer. X is for eximenia, X-I-M, golden little gem fruit on a stem. Y is for yellow pear, Y-E-L-L-O-W, hanging on a branch in a golden glow. Z is for zucchini,